Adaptability to the changing business requirements is indeed the future of AI powered business solutions. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The AI powered solutions that can adapt to the changing business needs offer greater flexibility and agility. They can easily scale up or down, integrate with existing systems, and accommodate new data sources or workflows as business requirements evolve. Businesses operate in dynamic environments with unique challenges and opportunities. AI powered solutions that are adaptable can be customized to meet specific business needs, preferences, and industry regulations, ensuring they remain relevant and effective over time. One of the key strengths of AI is its ability to learn and improve over time. AI powered solutions that are designed to adapt can continuously learn from new data, user interactions, and feedback, allowing them to stay current and deliver increasingly accurate and personalized insights and recommendations. In today's fast paced business landscape, organizations need solutions that can withstand disruptions, uncertainties, and unforeseen events. AI powered solutions that are adaptive can help businesses anticipate and respond to changes more effectively, enabling them to maintain resilience and competitiveness. The ability to adapt to changing business requirements fosters innovation and experimentation. AI powered solutions that encourage exploration and iteration can drive business growth by uncovering new opportunities, optimizing processes, and enhancing decision making capabilities. By investing in adaptable AI powered solutions, businesses can future proof their operations and they stay ahead of the curve. These solutions can evolve alongside emerging technologies, market trends, and customer preferences, ensuring that businesses remain relevant and competitive in the long run. Adaptability is a critical attribute of AI powered business solutions in an increasingly dynamic and complex business environment. By embracing adaptability, businesses can harness the full potential of AI to drive innovation, agility, and sustainable growth. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp introduces tools for AI based ad targeting program. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has revealed that Meta has launched its first AI driven ad targeting program for businesses on WhatsApp. This is a change for WhatsApp, which has always prioritized privacy as it incorporates targeted advertising similar to the other applications from Meta. For years, the platform has been incorporating payment and commerce functionalities. Google's Notebook LM grows internationally with cutting edge features. Google has expanded Notebook LM, its AI powered note taking app, to more than 200 more nations. The program, which was once known as Project Tailwind, uses Google's sophisticated LLM Gemini 1.5 Pro to synthesize summaries and respond to inquiries from uploaded documents. Reza Martin highlights the tool's development into a global solution for effective information management by assuring users of data protection. To increase marriage and birth rates, Japan is launching a dating app. A project, Tokyo Futari Story, has been announced by Tokyo City Hall in an effort to address the country's falling marriage rates and growing loneliness trend. The project includes a dating app that aims to form long lasting relationships and is anticipated to launch by late 2024. Japan is currently seeing its lowest rates of births and marriages. Elon Musk's XAI to create a new supercomputer in Memphis. A massive supercomputer will be housed at a new facility to be built in Memphis by Elon Musk's XAI. This action is to increase its competitiveness in the development and provision of chatbots and other AI powered technologies. Planning for the new facility, which would be the largest multi billion dollar investment in the city of Memphis history, has been underway since early March when Musk and his XAI team first met with the city leaders in Tennessee. Humane Inc. issues a fire safety alert regarding its AI pin charging case. Due to a fire hazard, startup Humane Inc. warned customers to stop using the charging case for its AI pin device, adding to the uncertainty surrounding the product's release. Upon receiving a single allegation of charging issues, the business opened an inquiry and reported a battery quality issue. Following criticism of the AI pin's features and interface, the setback made Humane's problems even more pressing. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.